said to you guys, getting a trailer is always a good investment. Right, so these boxes now, right, I could just put it in my trailer and then I'm just gonna hitch it in there. What's in these boxes are quite heavy. These like generators. Quite heavy. And then this one, as you can see, this is like 79 kg. So it's quite heavy, guys. So I got a ramp on this, I could just drive it up in there. So how I do this now? Said to you, listen man, it's a really good investment for me, right? So I do like that and just lift it a little bit like so. You just kick that on it there, and then just put it over a little bit. Put it over a little bit. Right, all the way up in the trailer. Right, just turn it around. You go in there, and then you just push them up like so. You tip them off. Right, so I don't need a pickup truck. Just need my trailer, guys. I said so. I got 2 more boxes, which I won't be able to put in my car. So just put in my trailer. So this is actually a really nice trolley, right? It's from Little's, right? It's coming quite handy at times. It actually could carry a 100 kg, right? Guys, listen, I push this to the limit all the time. So when we get to the next hand, we're just gonna I'm gonna video and show you how to unload it. So here, just gonna push them up a little bit. So yeah, sometimes, you know, if you're going far, you just need to strap them. You know, I'm gonna use a strap them over, or you could just use this. It's like a mesh you could put over it. These are heavy, they ain't gonna go nowhere. So. Right, so I'm just gonna put a mesh over it. So you lock this, and then you hitched it like so, and then push that down. It's secure. And this. But I got 2 more what you call those straps, but I won't put them on. I think this is cool with it because these are extremely heavy. I should put another one, but right, because I already got these, so I hold it down, and this is like 79 kg. I don't know, should I put another strap over it? Well, I'm not going far, you know, I'm just going 5 minutes down the road, so
till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
By here, you just navigate to that, right? So you push it like that, straighten it up, yeah? And then just bring this all the way like so, because you want to get it like this. Yep, always take this off. Remember to take that off. This is just stopping it from getting rusty, right? So remember, put this over here, the cable. So this is like the brakes, right? And then it's over like now. Yeah, if you have a key, then you need to take that out. So use this now to lower it down, right? So it's gonna line up, guys, and then you're gonna click. Just push it a bit more in place like so, and then just wind that down. Wind it all the way up. Okay. I remember the first time I put this trailer, I didn't tighten this all the way. This need to like make this really tight, right? Because I was on the motorway and this was loosed. So make sure this is really tight. Yeah. I think we're secure now, right? So now that's it. I think we're good to go, right? Okay. Anyway, guys, this trailer finally got here to the shipping place with the trailer, and this is the TX 850 pressure washer, right? So the trailer held up quite well, right? So this is where we do packing in the containers and stuff. So yeah, so nice. Yeah, so I'm just, offloading these, put on a pallet, and then we're just gonna push these things. So what I'm doing now, I'm shipping the accessories. I'm taking the accessories and send them separately for my own reasons. All right, so I'm just gonna close these up and we're gonna tape them up. All right, so. This video is all about the trailer, so I'm just gonna. Anyway, the trailer held up pretty well, and we got some new tires in them, and these are the one I prefer because these are way more commercial than those ones. So I'm gonna buy a couple of those, and for this trailer, because I'm sending this trailer to Jamaica as well. Right, I like this trailer. So I know this trailer is not popular in Jamaica, but guys, I'm gonna send a lot of these trailers out there. Well, not a lot, but if anyone out there want a trailer like this to transport their stuff in and around the island, guys, listen, I could get you a trailer. Okay, won't be brand new. Well, I could get new ones as well, but this is I bought this second hand. So if you want a trailer like this, then I definitely could get you a trailer and ship it out there for you, right? You could use it on the farm. You could use it to bring your cement. You could use whatever trailer you use for, okay? And you got the ramp at the back as well. And these ones you got optional, so you can actually take these off and put like a mesh. You can actually mesh this one up like that, like so. So yeah, yep. So listen, this is one of my best investment, because transporting these things would have cost me how much money renting a van or paying someone to do it for me. And also this one comes with a wrench, so I could, if I need something to haul something up in it, then I could definitely use this. Right, so anyway guys, thanks for watching my videos, and let's always say stay safe, and get a trailer, right? Save yourself a lot of money. And this is the size of this trailer. This is I think it's a 7x4, so 7 foot and 4 foot. I think it's a 4 or 5 foot. No, I think about 4 foot. So it's a 7x4, right? I could get a bigger one, right? But you know, I'm happy with this size because I carry a lot of boxes and stuff. So, and I don't have a pickup nor a van, so this worked me. And I don't need insurance for this. You know, I'm all over the country picking up stuff with my trailer, right? The advantage having a trailer, you don't need no insurance. It's very low maintenance, and right, it's just all bonuses, man. You know what I mean? The only thing, you have to drive a bit slower on the highway, and you know, when you're going around corners and stuff, you have to just be a little bit cautious and stuff with them. You can't drive them too fast. This one is maximum 50 miles an hour you could go with this trailer on the motorway, right? So my previous video, so if it's a 60 mile, doesn't matter, 50 miles maximum, right? So, and also, if you have a trailer, and also you're gonna have to find space to park this at night or day, because I'm not sure if you could just leave this on the road, maybe someone steal it. But in this case, if I park my one in my garage, right? So if someone want to steal it, I actually got like a lock for it, so you can't steal it. So that's what sells some lock for it. So I locked it at night, right? So you know what I'm saying? So, and this model is a 750 kg in this one. So right, so you're allowed to, guys, I said to you, this is one of my best investments I made so far in hauling things up and down the country. You know, I deliver stuff, pick up stuff, buy stuff from eBay, buy stuff from Facebook, buy stuff from Gumtree, stuff from Spac. Listen, yeah, man, listen, get a trailer, yeah, and if you need to move stuff, you don't need to hire a van or anything like that. So right, and there's more advantage and disadvantage. There's more pros and cons having a trailer. The only thing, if you have space to park it at night, or you know, or if you could even hitch it on your vehicle at night. Just leave it hitched and locked it legally, you're good. You know what I mean? But if you have a front yard and stuff, definitely get a trailer. If you need to bring stuff up and down the country, and then you don't need to be renting a van, and you know, because I used to rent van. Okay, so here is another pressure washer. Right, so this model is the TX 750. Right, same as that one, that's a 750 in there as well. So sending these things down, I normally just take out the accessories, because you know, in shipping stuff, man, you could get all these things could actually go, you know, you could get them misplaced. So I'm shipping those separately. Right, and these models can actually draw water from bucket or barrel. Right, so I won't be sending these things that can easily go misplaced in shipping. You know, custom open the boxes, leave a box open, someone could take it out, or it could just fall out. You know what I mean? Right, the O's and stuff, I leave them in there because I'm just gonna tie them. I'm just gonna tie them to the frame. Right, yeah, so this is some other bits in there. I'm just gonna take these out. I won't leave these in there too. So let's see what's in this. Oh yeah, these is for the wheels, or this one, I don't know what these are. I think these for the wheels. Connect the wheel or something. But the wheel, yeah, the wheel's in there. I really don't want these things to go get missing. Alright, anyway guys, thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. And here